If you're looking to export video projects for clients using Descript, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the process, step by step, so you can confidently export your projects in no time. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a few tips and bonuses that can make your editing workflow even more efficient. First, let's talk about what Descript offers in terms of video exports. Whether you're working on a podcast video, a promotional piece, or an instructional video, Descript has built-in tools that make exporting a breeze. And today, we're going to focus on the key steps that get you from editing to final export. Once you've wrapped up your editing, you're ready to start the export process. First, click the Share button on the top right of your screen. Here, you'll see multiple export options. For clients, you typically want to export in high quality, but let's explore what those options are and how you can choose the right one. If your project is a video, make sure you choose Export Video in the menu. From here, you can customize various settings. You'll see options for resolution, frame rate, and more. For most professional projects, you'll want to keep it in 1080p, but if the client needs something higher or lower, you can adjust the resolution accordingly. Next, you'll see a few settings that let you adjust how the final file is delivered. One of the more important ones to consider is whether you want to export with or without captions. Descript has excellent automatic transcription, and you can choose whether to include those captions or turn them off. Captions can be a big win, especially for social media or accessibility purposes, so be sure to check with your client on their preference. After you've selected your video format and made your adjustments, hit the Export button. Depending on the length and complexity of your project, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once it's done, you can download the file directly or share it with your client via a Descript link. But that's not all. A neat feature of Descript is that you can also export your project's text, audio, and video separately. If you need to send your client a specific piece, say just the audio for a podcast or only the video with captions, you can export those elements independently. Now, if you're looking for even more control over your export settings, there's a pro feature that lets you customize settings like bitrate or even export in multiple formats at once. If you're sending out multiple versions for different platforms, this is a real-time saver. And here's something that'll really help speed up your process. Descript integrates with cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, and others. This means you can directly send your video to your client without needing to go through the hassle of downloading it to your local computer and then uploading it again. If your client's workflow is cloud-based, this integration saves time and avoids the risk of losing files. Before we finish, I want to remind you that Descript offers a free version with a limited feature set, but you can access a much fuller experience by signing up through the first link in the description. And if you decide to try the Pro version, you can enjoy an exclusive extended trial, giving you plenty of time to get familiar with all the advanced features. So, if you're looking to make video exports easier and faster, Descript is an excellent tool. With these export features, you can deliver high-quality content to your clients quickly and with ease. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the link below for your free trial, and don't forget to hit that link to unlock exclusive bonuses.